Welcome to this quick walkthrough for claiming your Solaxy tokens. The SOLX claim period starts June 23rd at 2 p.m. UTC. Before you claim, here's what you need to know about gas fees. A gas fee is what you pay to confirm a transaction on a blockchain, and you'll need to cover this when claiming your SOLX tokens. If you bought on Ethereum or BNB Smart Chain, you'll be claiming on Ethereum, so you'll need ETH in your wallet. If you bought on Solana, you'll claim on Solana, and you'll need SOL instead. We're expecting Ethereum to be busy during the claim, so gas fees may spike. To avoid failed transactions, make sure you have at least $30 worth of ETH ready. In Best Wallet, you can tap Buy or Receive to add more ETH to your wallet. It's also important to note that if you have staked SOLX, these tokens are locked for a full 7 days once the claim period goes live. This means you won't be able to claim your SOLX tokens on June 23rd. Please don't try to claim on this day, as your transaction won't go through, and you may incur a gas fee. Instead, you can claim your staked tokens at 2 p.m. UTC on June 30th by going to the staking dashboard on the Solaxy website and withdrawing your tokens. Now that you're ready, let's walk through the steps to claim your SOLX tokens on June 23rd. Go to the official Solaxy website. The link is in the description. If you're claiming on Solana, you will need to go to the Solana-specific website. Next, click Connect Wallet. A pop-up will appear asking you to choose your wallet provider. Once you have, open your wallet app. Select the wallet you use to buy SOLX and tap the scan icon. Scan the QR code to connect. You may have to approve the connection in your wallet. Once you do, your claimable SOLX balance will appear on the website. You'll see two options: claim and stake. Claim will send your SOLX directly to your wallet. Claim and stake will immediately stake your claim tokens for 7 days and earn rewards during that period. Choose the option that works best for you. When prompted, approve the transaction in your wallet. This process may take a few minutes, so be patient and don't submit another claim transaction. If you'd like, you can check your transaction status on Etherscan or SolScan. Once your claim is successful, your SOLX tokens will appear in your wallet automatically. If you don't see them right away, you might need to manually enable or import the token. That's it, your SOLX claim is complete. If you run into any issues along the way, feel free to reach out to the Solaxy team for support.